TTL computer 2. Okay, today we're going handheld again for our first test of our serial card. And we have our card inserted and all powered up. And you can see that we have our serial cable. Our FTDI cable is connected into our board. And that wire is running all the way to my laptop. And I have my terminal open and going. And that is running at 19.2 baud, 8 none and 1 protocol, and we're all ready to let this go. So like our other tests, I have our reset, our computer's in a reset state. So just a reminder of what this program is going to do. It's going to start running, and it's going to set each of the user controllable registers on the serial UART, which is going to drive our LEDs. We're going to count from 1 to 2 and then 3, and it's also going to try to write to the scratch register and read from that and make sure it can update the scratch register. And after that, it's going to configure the UART for what I just said at the terminal. 8 none and 1 protocol at 19.2 baud, and then it's going to start writing the letter W to the serial line, and it's going to keep doing that. And it also updates the hex display, so we'll see that counting too. All right, I am going to get ready to release the computer. That is running. There we go, 1, 2, 3, counting on the LEDs. We see that our hex counter is going. That means it's writing W's to the screen. And there we go. We have our first characters going to our terminal from my TTL computer 2. Running with our new serial card. It's up and going. Excellent. That's a good test. Now that's obviously not doing our round trip communications test, but that's our first step, and I'd say we're more than halfway home just seeing those characters come to the screen, because we've pretty much validated everything except for the receive side on the UART. So that'll be my next step. Is I'm going to have to go back to, we're just going to go ahead and try and run the monitor. Is going to be our next test. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of monitor work code-wise, because it's set up right now to run in the simulation. I'm going to have to set that up to run in for the hardware, set that up to run on the hardware, and I'll have to make changes to our hex load program within the monitor, so that is going to be reading from the serial UART and not the internal RAM that it does in the simulator. So we've got a bunch of little things that could go wrong there, because we'd be testing out a lot of stuff, but at least hopefully we'll see the monitor going, and then we'll try to do our hex load. And if that's all good, then we're really 100% where we want to be with the serial card and with TTL computer 2. So hey, that's been a successful test. Things are looking really good, and yeah, that's it for today. Until next time, thanks for watching.